If you're looking for a waterproof bag, then this is it. It is 9 inches by 7 inches by 3 inches. It is a good, strong, sturdy base and an amazing zipper. It holds so much stuff. So this is all of my electronic camera gear, and I cannot tell you how much stuff I have in here. It is perfect because it's so strong and because it's got a nice, good, solid base. It can be thrown in your purse. It can be thrown in your luggage. You don't have to worry about it getting crushed. I mean, it just, the stuff in here just goes on forever. And you can see inside, it holds its shape. Nice rubberized, but it's still soft enough, like you can do this to it, but it's strong enough that if you were to throw it in a place, you're not going to worry about that getting crushed. The mouth of it is nice and wide so that you can actually get stuff in here. Fantastic. Love it. Cannot go wrong with it. The only thing you could do wrong is not get all the colors.